Can't find my cell phone.
Hello. Meow.
Oh, my cell phone.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Owie.
What?
I hit my bag.
What?
Text me.
No, my friend Brittany and I are hanging out.
Ha, he's playing Skyrim.
Yeah.
He's playing Skyrim.
Yes.
It's time. Oh.
What? What? Stop it! I hate you! Die! I will murder you! Murder!
Stop being a pterodactyl.
I will beat you with.
No! Give me my cell phone.
No, she took a video of me. I'm like beating the shit out of Brittany right now.
Don't hit me. Please don't hit me.
Cool.